You can think of an enterprise as an algorithm to create value and outcomes. Over time, your enterprise becomes more complex with new processes, departments, systems, and suppliers. Each come with their own incentives that may not be aligned. Over time, the focus on value gets overshadowed by local interests. Soon, your business strategy team is heading in one direction, your IT department another, and your data teams are somewhere in between, trying to make sense of it all. Most organizations are running as if they're many separate companies under one roof. This can be made worse when everyone's trying to figure out AI, yet the basic foundations aren't even working together. That's where enterprise architecture comes in. And we're not talking about diagrams that sit in a drawer. Enterprise architecture is about getting your business side, technology side, and operations aligned, working in harmony and focused on creating value. Your data, when properly managed, is the lifeblood that feeds and aligns these activities. It looks at your whole organization, people, processes, information, technology, and making sure you're spending your time and money on things that continually move you in the right direction. So what happens? With properly designed value streams, business capabilities, systems, and data, you become more organized, agile, and resilient. When business needs you to accelerate, you can actually accelerate, rather than spending effort propping up creaking systems and patching together incompatible data flows. You get things done faster. You're more flexible and you gain real competitive advantage. Plus, you end up with trustworthy data to inform better decisions. So when you're integrating AI, you can do so confidently, knowing it's drawing on reliable information aligned to real business goals. Sadly, enterprise architecture has been too complicated for too long. Our approach is refreshingly practical. We use simple, repeatable processes with effective tools that store your architecture as data that itself becomes an asset. We start by understanding your business goals and how people, data, and technology currently support them. We review your capabilities, systems, and data landscape, then identify and prioritize those opportunities. We design data models to act as a map, guiding data standards and flows, declaring trusted sources, and simplifying data quality controls at source. The architecture is stored as knowledge graphs. You can think of them like mind maps that are far easier to understand than normal diagrams and perfect for AI agents. We develop proof of concepts, showing real impact while teaching relevant skills and techniques. And we support the organizational change to help you scale this approach and empower your teams. You get a better understanding of how your business operates, simplified processes, improved performance, standardization, and a modular foundation that scales beautifully for future growth. Are you ready to stop running 3 separate companies under one roof? Let's talk about building an enterprise architecture that actually works for your business. Visit Ortecha.com and we'll start the conversation.